Hello friends and welcome to OT Closet. Let's do some coloring today with this color by number activity. All you need is a ruler, paper, markers, and something round. Parents can help create this worksheet, or you can find the printable version in the description below. Draw a triangle for a cone and trace 3 circles for the ice cream. Now it's kids' turn to color. Find number 1 on the picture and make it brown. Make 2 red. Find number 3 on your picture and make it purple. Make 4 blue. Let's decorate around the ice cream. Take 3 markers, hold it tight, and make some dots. Can you copy the letters to write ice cream? Great job coloring today. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a blue elephant. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you next time. Bye.